Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. If you don't know me already, I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution and I create premium WordPress plugins and sell them on CodeCanyon. Today I will show you how I create my thumbnails for the YouTube videos I upload to this channel. So for this I mostly use Canva. This is a free service that you can access anytime and create unlimited images and content for your website or your YouTube videos, thumbnails and many more designs. So let me show you how this works. You have to create an account. I will link in this video's description the website link where you can log in and create an account. Then click create a design, and here you can select many options that you can create and many design options. So let's click on YouTube thumbnail. If you don't have this, you can search here for YouTube and you can create channel art or thumbnail. So if you click on the thumbnail, here the software will give you some designs, from some pre-made designs that you can use. Some are premium and the most are free. So in the corner right here you will see that these are free, and on which you don't see that it is free, it is premium and paid. So let's select one for an example. Let's say this one. This is really nice. If it has these lines, that means that the image is a premium image and you should pay for it to have it. Because of this, let's switch to a free one, for example to this one, and as you can see we can edit the content, we can change the way it looks, we can edit its design, its font, its color, its spacing, its alignment, and many more. So we can align it like this. We can also rotate it, and we have many options to work with this. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very nice tool, and it is also free, and it can create many thumbnails for you and your videos. So if you want to change its background image, or if you want to add more text or elements, Canva can do it. Also custom backgrounds. It also allows you to upload your images, which is very cool to have. Okay, so yeah, this is what I wanted to show you in this tutorial video, that you can use Canva, and when you finished your design, simply hit the download button and the web page will create a PNG, a high resolution PNG image for you for free. So the monetization of this website is with premium content, so you can see that there are free images and there are also premium images which are paid. This is how they monetize it, and because of this, a large part of the website is freely available for everyone and everyone can use it. So basically this is the best website I found so far for this, and I really enjoy using it. So I will link in this video's description the link for Canva, and leave in this video's comment section what you think about it, and if you have better alternatives, let me know. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy the content I create, and until next time, stay awesome. Bye bye.